drive down here is beautiful. I never tire of it. I've been doing this 4 times a week so far. Going down, coming back, going down, coming back. And I never tire of the beauty. Oh, I'm sure. There's bears all over. They had a bear in Healy this year in the little town where we all live. And it wasn't a very big one, but I guess they had to, well, of course they had to take care of it, so, and get it out of there.
How far can you drive up on that mountain?
Not at all. All I know is that it's about as close as I'd like to get without freezing. Now, it all gets so soft, and that's what happens to their roads. The DOT is constantly working on these roads in the summertime. It's just, and there's a place between the canyon and Healy called Bison Gulch, and that area right there, every year, it's got that same spot. I can't remember if Mary told us. I don't believe so, because the animals, you may have to stop in there, because sometimes there's been animals that show up, especially moose.
Moose in the tunnel, that
Uh-huh.
it would be.
And they stop everything to get them out of there.
They're probably very confused.
How long is the tunnel length?
It's 2.5 miles,
Wow.
and I think the speed limit's like 25.
This is the longest tunnel I've ever been in.
It is so cool. I got to drive through it the first time.
And you're like, wow, this
Yeah.
is amazing.
So this will be my, So I mean, if you miss it,
You're here for a while.
you're here for a while. Yeah, that's the reason why they stress to us.
Yeah, better pack a lunch.
Yeah.
Now, do they have like a lead car that takes you through, or not?
No.
No, not at all, huh?
How many
It gives you see the lights up here?
Yeah.
It gives you the green light when it's your turn.
Okay,
When
okay.
it's
Just
your
like a
lane
street
turn.
light.
Yep.
Oh, here comes cars.
Blackout in there.
Here comes some cars.
Headlights.
Out the other way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're coming this way.
Better be really dark.
So we're not too far off then. What?
According to this, we got about 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Shoot, we got time.
15, 20 minutes. So yeah, we've got plenty of time.
Hey everybody, we did it on time.
Yay!
Drink some princess. Yay!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh man, I almost got that one going.
Thank you very much for being on time. We're gonna make this
being
tunnel the
awesome.
first time, so it's gonna be
Hey,
good.
you know what? You broke the record. You better get it noted.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Well, we'll tell your boss. Give me the boss's name. I say, hey, you know what? No.
Andrew Scholes
Andrew Scholes. I'll write that down.
and Ashley Tanis.
Hold on a minute.
Was that Ashley? Was that Ashley there before we left?
The one that was with my husband?
Yes.
That was my boss.
The one that was your husband.
The main boss.
The main boss.
The guy
Yes.
that's been there.
The tunnel runs 2.5 miles through Maynard Mountain and leads into Bear Valley. The original tunnel could only accommodate rail traffic, so vehicles would be loaded on flatbed rail cars and passengers would then embark on a passenger train for passage in and out of Whittier. In 2000, a 3-year construction project refurbished the tunnel to accommodate both rail and vehicle traffic. So it hasn't been
That's really
that
recent.
long ago. Yeah, about 19
2000,
years,
wow.
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yay, guys, we're going!
We're going in the right direction.
Yay!
Missing our bus driver.
Where the tunnel we go.
Have you ever gone to
That's
Well, we went to, well, we usually make big. The one we did was
Disney.
Disney Cruise, and we loved it. The kids loved it.
All right, look at that.
What the
Yeah, the kids are coming at 3 in the morning. You're sleeping.
I was in bed, but you can check where they're at, right? My son's thinking tomorrow.
Oh, you're kidding me. Did you hear that? On the Disney cruise, you get a GPS for the kids.
You can track where they're at. And my son's always at the pizza bar, making the pizza bar. They're only 2 of those bars away, but stuff.
A lot of man hours on this.
This is pretty good.
They're like a,
Oops.
and the adults were already laying down by 10.
Like there's one.
There's one right up here.
Oh, yeah, here you go.
This looks like an amusement park.
It does.
Waiting for like Godzilla to drop out on it.
When I was a kid, this used to be the Tunnel of Love.
Oh, that's romantic dying. That's
Once the lights off, they're coming through the rock.
Yeah.
Ooh, brightness in my eyes.
Don't go towards the light. There's the ship there.
There it is.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know we were getting there. You weren't kidding when you said not much further.
oh my goodness.
That's the bridge.
Denali coach 7192
Yep.
just exiting the Anderson Tunnel.
All right, come on down.
I copy.
What can you read? It's all done.
All right, thank you. Come on down.
Come on down.
Thanks for tasting.
Up to the port. We got room for you.
Take this turn. Perfect. And there's a real waterfall over there. See it going into the water.
Oh, yeah. It's actual water. It's not a film I was seeing where the glaciers. That's
You want to follow the road down until you see the ship where the second entrance into the main parking lot there.
Glacier cuisine. So it looks like something I'm
Right there, Jason.
Next entrance, next entrance.
I should go to.
Tell me that. Oh, this one comes up here from the local truck.
I wouldn't know until we get
Where do we?
Yep.
Your bag, your train.
Alright, right down here you see a guy with the hat.
There was a hat.
How many guys?
The white hat.
White hat. Ship said white.
It's got more of the blue.
Nope, they brought lots of sand. Lots of
See a guy with the white hat.
Lots of king crab.
Wow.